Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you, in my opinion, the best free program for you to make graphs in physics, math and chemistry. Name of this program is Graph and you can find link in the description where you can download it for free. Making a graph, we start by clicking here, Insert a Point Series. And here we add values to our quantities, x and y values. Now I have time and position values. What makes this program really useful is that you can add error bars. And adding error bars, you have three options. Fixed, meaning all the measured points have same absolute uncertainty. Then relatively, having same percentile uncertainty, or custom, where you can manually set each point having different absolute uncertainty. And here I'm just gonna throw in some absolute uncertainty for my time values. And you can tell those are quite large absolute uncertainties, but I'm just using this for illustrating the program. Then for y direction or position, I choose fixed 0.2 meters as an absolute uncertainty. And now we can see some of our points, so we have to change axis setting. And that happens over here. We have edit axis setting. Minimum time value 0, maximum time value 8. Then click off labeling X. We will name axis later. Same thing for y-axis, from 0 to 15 meters, clicking off the labeling Y. You choose X and Y setting such that you can see all your points nicely. Now we don't see any numbers in our axis, so we click here, this square next to the axis, and you can see now we see numbers. After that, we want to name our axis, and you can do that by clicking here, Insert a Text Label. Then we type in our quantity and unit. Reason I use this to name axis is because you can use special signs and symbols, so you can actually name any quantity ever needed. Then our final step is to add line of best fit, and you can choose this one, Insert a Curve of Best Fit. Here is many options. I'm gonna choose linear now. So here is our final product. You can see graph looks nice with arrow bars, and really that's one of the best, if not the best, free program to make graphs where you need arrow bars. I also have a video where I'm gonna show you how you can make lines with the greatest gradient going through all the arrow bars and line with the slowest or smallest gradient going through the arrow bars. That can be used for you to estimate absolute uncertainty for your final answer. In this case, our final answer would be speed. See you in the next video.